Welcome to American University of Barbados, School of Medicine. This is where dreams turn to reality and aspirations to success stories. Our mission is to provide a world-class medical education with cutting-edge equipment and pedagogy in an environment that fosters appreciative inquiry, human sensitivity, and collaborative research aimed at reducing human suffering and pain. American University of Barbados School of Medicine is located near beautiful seashore of Barbados in West Indies. It was the initiative, support and cooperation of the Government of Barbados and Ministry of Education to extend the charter to establish the first offshore medical school on this exotic island in the Caribbean. AUBs is recognized and licensed by the Ministry of Education Barbados, approved by Medical Council of Canada. It is approved and listed with IMED-FEMER and WHO Avicenna directories, also registered with Barbados Accreditation Council. We offer a comprehensive 5.5 years MD program for high school graduates and 4 years MD program for college graduates. Pre-medical is available in Barbados, Canada and India. Tuition fees is affordable. Our curriculum is at par with the best that US medical schools offers. The professors are experienced and well qualified to guide you through your course. An excellent student-teacher ratio ensures that a student gets the individual attention which required. Practical education is imparted through hospital integrated program and clinical clerkship rotation, which can be taken in USA and other countries. Our teaching methodology is designed on structured interactive studies, 3D animation, integrated learning program, and problem-based learning. 3D medical animation explains more in less time. Video presentation and illustrations are simply unable to deliver the dynamic function and freedom of 3D animation. Any structure can be cut in half or made transparent, allowing audience to throw anything and focus purely on the most important aspects of the presentation. It opens up a wider scale and variety of human body. Its depict and accurate visualization by exploring the depth and intricacies of the science that cannot be created and replicated from a 2D illustrations, sketch, photography, or even live action. One minute of 3D animation can deliver as much information as 1800 2D illustrations, 3000 pages of written text, and 1 hour of spoken lecture, and 10 minutes of surgical video. Like any video game, a game on medical problem or procedure or management shows a step-by-step advancement of disease in easily understandable manner. The images, comments, messages in the game stick in the memory of player and leaves an impact on the mind of participants player, so that they not only develop analytical ability, flexibility, time management and understanding of patient care, but an stimulus in the memory to manage patients in the same manner in real life situation. For example, like managing a heart attack patient from home through ambulance to hospital and ICU. Campus situated at beautiful location with all state-of-art facilities. Well-furnished dorms make you feel home away from home. Admissions are open 3 times a year in the months of January, May and September. American University of Barbados is an international campus of Eraz Lucknow Medical College and Hospital, India. ALMC is recognized and accredited by the Government of India and Medical Council of India, New Delhi, and listed with IMED-FEMER and WHO Avicenna directories. We are proud to share the news that Eraz Lucknow Medical College has secured place among top 30 medical colleges in India, according to the Week Hansa Research Survey 2014. Also, according to India Today Nielsen Survey 2013, ELMC has been ranked third among India's top emerging medical colleges. Regarding the country Barbados, it is a coral paradise in the Caribbean. It is a beautiful country with secure living conditions. Barbados has been regarded as safest Caribbean country for the past 14 years, according to the United Nations survey. Their motto is "Long live life," and it is the best place to pursue your dream of mastering the art and science of modern medicines. American University of Barbados aspires to produce medical graduates who are emotionally and culturally sensitive and have a world-class competence so that they can be valued and a respected healer and a responsible citizen anywhere they choose to be. Let us provide the candle that will light the path to your future. Students who share their dreams and wish to obtain top quality medical education are invited to join American University of Barbados School of Medicine. To learn more about AUB, visit www.aubmed.org or mail info@aubmed.org.